Hello, this is me and Betty. We had an idea to help you put some feet on your build. If you wanted to make something stand up, perhaps you were using some cardboard from your recycling box. We're going to show you how to do it. Here we go. So Betty's got 2 bits of cardboard. They're different sizes. It doesn't matter. You could use 2 the same, 2 different, 1 huge.
You could have one that has an angle going in.
You could.
It really doesn't matter.
You could create crazy shapes. All we're doing is putting these
You mean
two...
Mr. Wonky earlier.
Mr. Wonky, exactly. Putting 2 pieces of cardboard together to make them stand up. We're going to make a cross.
I'm going to slot my cardboard into the middle. Cut 1 slit. But if I was to try and slit this through there, it won't work. So I'm going to cut one that's next to it. Like that.
Magic.
Oh, and it flicked out already, and you can pull that out. You don't have to, though.
So Betty's cutting this piece. Go for one on the other one. Betty's cutting this 2 little bits together because this cardboard's quite thick. And we need to have room for this piece. So here we go. She's doing the same again on her second piece. 2 slits right next to each other. And can you see how that little piece comes out? Now, how does this work, Betty? What do you do?
I'm going to take the 2 pieces and slot them together so that the lines meet up. And then, when you've done that, you can see that they're the same, so it's a flat edge. And turn it upside down.
Ah, look at that. It stands. Magic. So you put them together, make them flat. You've made a foot.
Ta-da!
Thanks ever so much, Betty.
You're welcome.